Alright, I'm gonna experiment with this fleck paste. I'm trying to glue my shoes together. To be continued. Alright. I try clean as much as I can. Any stuff that might prevent from sticky. I used a little scissor. And this stuff, once you open it, it's hard to keep it fresh, so I'm taking advantage of it right now. I should use this for other stuff. Alright, it's hard to do this with two hands, with one hand, so I'm gonna stop right now. Alright, I try to seal as much as I can, and I'm gonna let it dry out and take advantage of this warm sun, and we'll see what happens. Well, just to let you know, it's been working. Now, the real test is when it rains. So far, so good.